Hi guys, welcome to AlluStuff. Today I'm gonna show you how to change font style on Android without root. Before starting the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's start. Many people think they can't change font style without rooting their device. Yes, it is possible. Watch this video till the end. To change font style, first open Google Play Store and search Go Launcher. Install the first app. I have already installed it. It's about 25 MB. After that, open tap on enjoy, skip, enjoy Go Launcher, and now select Go Launcher Z, and now tap and hold your wallpaper and go to Go Settings. Scroll down and tap font, and now tap select font. From here you can select your font what you like. If you want more fonts, then tap scan font. It will take a while to up. Now you can see there are a lot of fonts. You can choose your favorite one. For example, I am choosing this one. As you can see, our font style has been changed. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a like and to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.